In this video, we will show you how to replace your 9006 headlight bulb on this Chevy Tahoe. This will be located inside of your headlamp assembly. Let's get into it. All right, friends, let's get started on replacing our bulb. To do that, we're going to come right over here to each one of the headlamps. You're going to find you have a metal pin that you can pull out of place. Now that we have those out of there, let's continue on by grabbing onto the headlamp assembly, carefully removing it from the vehicle. Now that we have that out of place, we can continue on removing our 9006 headlight bulb. For the wiring harness, you'll find that you have two tabs. Carefully get underneath those and pull this off. A quick inspection for corrosion. Take hold of that bulb. We're going to turn it clockwise to remove it from the headlight assembly. All right, let's install that brand new 9006 bulb. We'll take this, put it in place, turn it counterclockwise to lock it into position. Make sure it's secured all the way around. Reconnect your wiring harness. Let's put the headlamp assembly in place. Install both of your mounting pins. Give it a wiggle to make sure it's completely secure. The process will be the same for the other side of the vehicle. After that, go ahead and test the functionality. Perfect.
Now we're going to get the vehicle ready to aim the headlights. Start with the tire pressure, making sure all 4 tires are set at the appropriate pressure. Remove any excessive weight that's not normally in the vehicle. Find a wall that you can drive up to where the ground is level. Measure 25 feet away from that wall and mark the ground. Drive your vehicle up to that mark. With the headlights off, look for the center dot in the headlight lens. Measure from the ground to that center dot. You can use a ruler to help you out. Transferring that measurement to the wall, making a mark with some tape. On the driver's side, measure down 4 inches, putting another piece of tape. For the passenger side, you only need to measure down 2 inches. Now turning the headlights on, it is easier to do this at night or in a dark area. Locating your headlight adjuster and using a Phillips head screwdriver, turn your adjuster one way or another to bring the headlight up or down. Once the headlight is adjusted to the tape mark on the wall, move on to the next headlight. If you're confused because the beams seem to blend together, you can always have someone stand in front of the other headlight while you make your adjustments for that one. Now your headlights are aligned and you're all set to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.